Hi, Jim here. Today I will show you different format of date in PHP. Today I will show you to get the date from database and show it in human readable form. First of all, I get the data from table into PHP project. Now I will show the date into readable form. First, get the data from database and store in variable data1. Now echo the data1. You see that data coming from database in original form. Now convert it into datetime and store into date variable. Now store the current date time into now variable. After this we will compare these two values and show their results. Here I use diff function to convert the date into days, hours and minutes, and echo this data to console our desired result. Here you see that 3 days, 18 hour and 30 minute. This is the difference between the date when data enter into database and current date. Now we show this date into another format. In this format we divide the date into month name, date, and year. I show you because some people prefer to show date in this format. This is another way to show date in PHP web pages. Now you see that full name of month like April, date 1, and 2023. You can also show only day by removing hour and minute like this. You see final results. Thanks.